If the continuing stream of rumors is any indication, the iPhone 15 release date is just around the corner. As is to be expected with any major Apple release, we're likely to see an Apple event next month, possibly on September 12th or 13th. A number of new features have already been rumored for both the standard iPhone 15 and Plus models, as well as the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, including a USB-C port action button, improved camera array, and more. The action button will still be capable to toggle your phone's ringer on and off just like you could with the mute switch. But now you'll be ready to program the button to do a bunch of other useful functions, like enabling Do Not Disturb or low power mode and more. According to leaks we've heard so far, Apple's planning to ditch the mute switch with the 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max and replace it with a new solid-state action button. The Type-C charging is the next topic. With the iPhone 15 series, Apple is anticipated to finally replace its proprietary Lightning charging port with a standard USB-C one. This long-requested change coincides with new EU regulations. Earlier this week, leaked images of the iPhone 15 USB-C port revealed another noteworthy upgrade: Thunderbolt connectivity, which could bring significantly faster potential data transfer speeds for iPhone users. Thunderbolt over USB-C supports up to 40 gigabits per second compared to the USB 2.0 480 megabytes per second speed cap on Lightning and the 10 gigs baseline for USB-C. That may make it possible for Apple to adopt the USB-C port before the end of 2024. The 15 Pro Max will reportedly receive a unique feature not found on the other iPhone 15 models: a new periscope telephoto camera that can provide up to twice the optical zoom of the 14 Pro Max. According to tipsters, the periscope mechanism, which allows Apple to pack a more potent zoom lens in the iPhone's slim body, will allow up to 5x or 6x magnification. The Dynamic Island, one of the iPhone's newest and most innovative features, replaces the notch with a more improved way for users to access notifications and mini players. Unfortunately, when it was introduced with the iPhone 14, Apple only allowed the Dynamic Island to be used with the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. However, this may change this time around, as several sources and purported photographic evidence indicate that the Dynamic Island will also be available on the 15 and 15 Plus. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.